Kung pupunta ka sa mga bahay ng mga Chinese na mga businessman, meron talaga silang guankong. This one is guankong. Minsan tinatawag siyang guangong or minsan tinatawag siyang guanyu. So ito talaga napaka-epektibo talaga nito na pampaswerte. This is a god of wealth in Chinese traditional culture. Guankong is a general na military during the Han Dynasty. So he represents power, he also represents integrity and also justice. Talagang ito epektibo na talagang pampaswerte when it comes to attracting wealth, when it comes to attracting power, when it comes to attracting good fortune and abundance. Itong guankong natin is cleansed, blessed, and energized by our feng shui experts. Kung gusto nyo na maswerte kayo, gusto nyo protektado ang negosyo ninyo, tindahan man yan, or any kind of businesses, dapat meron kayong guankong. Click the yellow basket para makapag-purchase ka. Napakaganda nito kasi cash on delivery pa. If you want na maswerte ka sa taong 2025, bubuhos ang pera, bubuhos ang biyaya, talagang walang tigil at talagang para siyang waterfalls na tuloy-tuloy lang ang pagbuhos ng swerte, biyaya, pera, abundance, wealth, dapat meron kayong guankong. Click the yellow basket at mag-purchase ka.